name is Dan. I'm 25 years old and I come from Prestwich. Age 4, I was diagnosed with autism and also a speech and language disorder. I was awarded Bury's Disabled Sports Achiever of the Year in 2012, 2014 and 2015, and also Prestwich Special Recognition Award in 2013. Through my passion for long distance running and volunteering in the community with sport. I attended the Sainsbury's Inclusive Community Training Workshop in June 2016. I wanted to further expand my knowledge within inclusive delivery in sport and also to apply this into practice within my work. I've learned so many different ways of how to organise and adapt my sessions through the inclusive spectrum model and also using the STEP model, which is very helpful in adapting sport. I work now full-time as a gym instructor as well as an activity instructor at Burtonshaw Specialist School and College in Bolton. I deliver inclusive activities as well as creating personal development plans for each and every young person with a wide range of disabilities, whether it's physical, mentally, and also including the autistic spectrum conditions. I wanted to further progress. I have a huge passion for sport. Sport has made such a positive impact on my life. It's been able to help me overcome barriers and make a real difference with my confidence. I also wanted everyone, including those with disabilities, to have great opportunities to participate in sport. With my own background and passion for sport, I thought being a mentor would be a wonderful opportunity to support more coaches to become more inclusive with their delivery in sport and to help as many young people to engage in sport.